Hi guys, today we're back with the green slider bug. Look, this little guy eats fruits and little insects. He has this green color because he is hiding from his enemies. And he comes out in the summer, and if you see one, don't go near it because he can sting you with his little jaws. And keep an eye out for one because if you have a fruit tree, he goes for the fruit. He likes fruits and little bugs. And this little guy has 6 legs that can help him walk. But one of his legs is growing back because he's just a little baby. He's very small. And look at his bottom. It's red. And look, if you see that side, it has a little bit green and a little bit of black. And look at his legs. It's so cool. And they have this sharp thing that can poke us. If you see a pokey thing, don't touch it. So guys, today we were talking about the green slider bug. So we'll be back on an exciting video. And please like and subscribe to SNK Vlogs and check out my next video. Bye.